So, Notch Point Road's closed. But just for this week. We didn't time that real well, did we? So, yeah, apparently they're doing some maintenance works to it or something this week. And so we're just going to head back to Ilbilby now and have a look and see if there's somewhere else nearby. I mean, if nothing else happens, we'll just go back to Stanage Bay, which we know we can get to easily enough. But we've come this far north, so we'll see if we can find somewhere else interesting to stay. Feels like we've driven all over the countryside today, but we've made it to
Hyde Park.
Where are we?
Ilbilby. No, we're at. We've been through Ilbilby 3 times today.
We're between Ilbilby and Camilla at a place called Tide Park. It's our HipCamp. I'll put the name on the screen. But have a look at this behind me here. Like, we're right near the beach. Camp size is a reasonable size. I'm gonna find it down here. There's a few birds running around down on the beach there at the moment. Probably can't see it from here. But what do you reckon? This spot should do us all right for a couple of days, I'd say.
This'll do.
This'll do. shallow, that water. That's interesting. Chicken bake tonight.
Chicken bake tonight.
So we have done this before, so is there anything different you've done?
Oh, everything.
Anything you want to highlight as being different?
I'd put bourbon in it.
That's right. Yes, we missed that.
Yeah, I didn't want to do any more wine.
Did put a bit of bourbon in there instead of wine.
One nip of bourbon as well as the wine, but I didn't want it to be bland. So, doing lots of yummy stuff.
No chance of that going on.
No, I've added rosemary to this one and parsley and whatever veggies I had on hand, really.
Something we've got, and we'll cook on this a bit later, but the fire pit at this HipCamp that we're staying at, oh, it's in the way there, it's a ripper. I think we could be cooking on that later in the week, like tomorrow night.
Well, the boys have said that they're catching fish tomorrow, so...
That's what they reckon.
Yeah.
But failing that, we've got the fajitas you'd probably do over the fire, I suppose, potentially.
Yeah, fajitas, we've got sausages, we've got fish. They better get fish.
I guess the thing that's going against this in terms of catching fish is it's low tide at the moment. And if we look out there, that tide has gone out a long way. So when that tide comes in, it's going to be, I expect, reasonably shallow for quite a long way. So we'll see what tomorrow brings there.